In the game of entrepreneurship, is it possible to get lucky? Is it possible to create luck? And not only that, is there anything like luck in business at all? Or there is no luck, it's all about doing the right thing? Well, let's talk about it from a more scientific approach. In the book Great by Choice, Jim Collins and his colleagues at Stanford, they studied the greatest companies and what they call 10x companies, companies that beat their industry indices by at least 10x. And they sustained truly spectacular results for over 15 years compared to the stock market. They tried to analyze. These are like big Fortune 500 companies. So Jim Collins, who is a professor of business at Stanford Business School, him and his colleagues, they did research. They tried to figure out what distinguishes the great companies from the mediocre ones. Why and how did they outperform their competition by at least 10 times? So the question that we want to address in this specific idea is, did luck play a crucial role in the success of these businesses? Was luck a big deal? So here's how Jim Collins defines luck. There are three keys. One, was there some significant aspect of the event? If you want to define luck, think of it this way. One definition could be some significant aspect of the event occurs largely or entirely independent of the actions of the key actors in the enterprise. Second is the event has potentially significant consequences, good or bad. And third, the event has some element of unpredictability. That's how you would define luck. It's significant, it is potentially significant consequences, and it is unpredictable. And it's happening entirely independent of the business itself. So here is what Jim Collins and his colleagues found out in their studies. What they found was the 10x companies, over a period of time, that 15-year period, they had 7 significant good luck events. While comparison companies that were not 10x, that were just average, they had 8 significant good luck events. So on the average, it's not very different, 7 events, 8 events. And not only that, the analysis showed that there were similar levels of bad luck events. Each group had around 9 bad luck events. So 7 to 8 good luck events and 9 bad luck events, whether they were 10x companies, whether they were crazy growth companies, or they were mediocre companies. And in the research, they finally concluded that there was no evidence that the 10x companies, the great companies, had substantially more good luck events, or maybe on contrary, the comparison companies, the companies that were not 10x companies, they did not have more bad luck events. The key here is that luck didn't play a role as we think it might be when we think, oh, someone got lucky in building their business. It's not so much luck as it is return on luck. Before we jump into the video, I just want to tell you about our special Black Friday deal for entrepreneurs. If you are interested in grabbing the summaries of the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business, which is basically a combination of our entrepreneurship pack and our marketing book summaries pack. And not only that, there are 4 live masterclasses included in it. Just go to 2000books.com/business and enter the coupon code BF2020. That's the Black Friday deal. This is $902 in value that I'm giving away for a really discounted rate. So check it out. There's a content marketing millions masterclass, 6-figure affiliate deals masterclass, YouTube cash machine masterclass, 6-figure email marketing masterclass. I'll be teaching all of these classes live. Not only that, you get access to 12 months of our Business Builders Book Club, where you get to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs and discuss great business books. Every month there's a new book that you will be discussing. So if you're interested in all of that, head on over to 2000books.com/business and grab a super Black Friday discount on this Business Builders pack. Just make sure to use the coupon code BF2020, BF2020. All right, guys, let me explain. What Colin says is, don't confuse luck with return on luck. Everyone gets luck, but the 10x winners, the great winners, the great companies, they make more of the luck they get. It is their ability to get a higher return on luck in those pivotal moments that distinguishes, that separates them from everyone else? See, there are 4 possible return on luck scenarios. You get a great return on good luck events, you get a poor return on good luck events, so you get a great return on bad luck, or you get poor return on bad luck. The 10x companies were able to use those luck events to their advantage. The comparison companies didn't fail because they had fewer good luck events. They failed because they were not able to execute and continue to build on what they had been working on. So the answer really is, it's resilience, not luck. That is the signature of greatness. Resilience, not luck. Luck will come and go. Almost every business will have the same amount of luck available to them as any other business. But some businesses will be able to leverage that luck, whether it's good luck or bad luck, to their advantage. And the key there is resilience. Resilience is the signature of greatness, not luck. The critical question is not whether you are lucky. The critical question is, are you lucky? The critical question is not if you are lucky, but it is, do you get a high return on luck? Because luck comes your way. Are you able to convert that luck into a great return for yourself? As Nietzsche, the great philosopher, he said, what does not kill me makes me stronger. So we will all encounter bad luck. The question is, how do you use that bad luck to make you stronger, to turn it into one of the best things that happened to you, and to not let it become a psychological prison? And that's exactly what 10x companies are able to do, especially if you look at the current scenario with everything that's going on with the viral outbreak and all those things. The question is, how many companies are able to use this event to build greater businesses, while a lot of companies are going to fold in the same pandemic. And this is repeated throughout history. As a result of major downturns, major setbacks, major challenges, some businesses take off while other businesses fall. It's not because there was a specific luck event, or it wasn't because they got lucky. It was because how they were able to use that to their advantage. You see, 10x companies, on the one hand, they credit good luck for luck playing a role in their achievement, but they don't blame bad luck for failures. They never blame bad luck for all the challenges. They keep chugging along. They keep trying to make it work. Now, with all that said, is there a way to truly get lucky in business? Yes, there is. And this is what Jim Collins found out in his research. He found the greatest luck that you can have is not any specific event, but who. One of the most important types of luck is the who luck. The luck of finding the right mentor, the partner, the teammate, the leader, the friend, the coach, whoever it might be. And the best way to get lucky is to find a strong current of good luck, is to swim with great people, to find great people, to associate with great people. That's the way to get lucky. That's the way to step up. And that's the way to get and leverage your luck. The key is to build deep and enduring relationships with people for whom you'd risk your life, who'd risk their lives for you. It's a band of brothers in some ways. These are your mentors, your partners, your friends, your teammates, your leaders, whoever it might be. The key, the greatest luck in your business will be who. Who are the people you come across who you are able to partner with or learn from, or do any of these things together to grow the business. So really important to understand, the greatest luck is not what, but who. You need to swim with great people in order to increase the level of luck that you can get, and in order to leverage that luck. With that said, if you want me to help you build your online business, I'm opening up enrollment for my 6-figure accelerator. Just head on over to 2000books.com/coaching and apply, and we'll see if you are a good fit for that program. So if you're an entrepreneur, I have a special Black Friday deal for you on our Business Builders Pack. Now, what's the Business Builders Pack? Literally, it is actionable knowledge from the 100 greatest books on starting, growing, and scaling your business. Whether it's about finding your idea, starting the business, entrepreneurial mindset, business systems, business strategy, lifestyle entrepreneurship, management, scaling, billionaire biographies, marketing, all those books. Every book I've broken it down to very specific ideas that you can apply. And you can check out the videos by going to 2000books.com/business. And if you are interested in the Black Friday deal, let me tell you about it. By the way, check out some of the books. These are the greatest books I have ever read on building a business, starting, growing, and building a business. And these are all summarized in the Business Builders Pack. Books on ideation, on strategy, on innovation, books on systems, on execution, on teams, on scaling your business, on billion-dollar business lessons, on lifestyle entrepreneurship, on entrepreneurial mindset, on management, on pricing, on business models, on advertising. These are all, not only are these books, not only have I summarized the entrepreneurship books, but also marketing books, advertising, branding, copywriting, direct response marketing fundamentals, marketing strategy, systems, automation, online, social media marketing, growth hacking, everything you can think of when it comes to starting and growing your online business and scaling it. So what's included in this Business Builders Pack is my entrepreneurship book summary pack, which is valued at $79, my marketing and branding book summary pack, which sells right now online for $79. Not only that, I have the live masterclass where I will come together with one of my friends and we'll teach you how to build a content marketing business. It's called Content Marketing Millions Masterclass, valued at $99. Another live masterclass that I'll be teaching is how to put together 6-figure affiliate deals. That's a masterclass valued at $99. YouTube Cash Machine, another masterclass I'll be teaching live at $99. And 6-figure email marketing masterclass valued at $99. All of this is included in the Business Builders Pack, 2000books.com/business. And not only that, the best part about all of this is I'm giving you 1 year membership into the Business Builders Book Club, 12 months, which is $29 a month. So the total price of that is $348. This is where you come together. It's not really effective when you are reading these books in isolation. What you really need is to come together with other like-minded entrepreneurs to be able to discuss these ideas so that you can really apply them. You can develop what's called high-order thinking skills. Low-order thinking skills are acquired through reading and just trying to remember, highlight a book, read a book, remember the book. But high-order thinking skills are derived, or you build high-order thinking skills when you analyze the ideas with other teams, with other people. You discuss these ideas, you evaluate these ideas with other people, you discuss, and then you create something out of it. That's why I put together this Business Builders Book Club, so you can come together with other entrepreneurs to talk about these books. Jeff Bezos literally runs his own executive book club at Amazon, where he discusses great books with his other executives. And that's why I want this book club for you guys. It's not normally $29 a month, $348 a year. So all of this combined is in this Business Builders Pack. Total value of the book summaries and the masterclasses and the 1 year of book club is $902. But for Black Friday, just enter the coupon code BF2020, Black Friday 2020, that is BF2020, to get a huge discount on this. Go to 2000books.com/business and get this $902 in value for a great discount. Just enter the coupon code BF2020. That's Black Friday deal that I'm offering right now. The deal will go away soon, so go ahead and grab it. All right, guys. See you inside the book club. See you inside the Business Builders Pack. And I look forward to helping you grow your business.